Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Lane, the place where curiosity meets knowledge. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why stars appear only after the sun goes down? It almost seems like the stars suddenly turn on at night and disappear during the day. But the truth is much more interesting. In today's video, we will explore the real scientific reason why we see stars only at night and not during the daytime. Part 1. Do stars shine only at night? First, it is important to understand that stars do not actually shine only at night. Stars are shining all the time, both day and night. Even when the sun is up during the day, thousands of stars are still present in the sky above us. However, we cannot see them with our eyes. The real question is not whether stars shine at night, but why we cannot see them during the daytime. Part 2. The sun is also a star. One of the biggest reasons we cannot see stars during the day is the sun. The sun itself is a star, but it appears much brighter than all the others because it is extremely close to Earth compared to other stars. Most of the stars we see at night are located trillions of kilometers away from our planet. Because they are so far away, their light appears very small and faint. The sun's brightness is so strong that it lights up the entire sky, making the faint light from distant stars impossible for our eyes to notice. Part 3. Earth's atmosphere and scattered light. Another important reason involves Earth's atmosphere. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, it collides with tiny particles of air and dust. These particles scatter the sunlight in different directions. This scattering spreads sunlight across the sky and makes it appear bright blue during the daytime. Because the sky becomes so bright, the faint light coming from distant stars gets completely hidden behind the scattered sunlight. Part 4. What happens at night? At night, Earth rotates so that our part of the planet turns away from the sun. Without direct sunlight lighting up the sky, the atmosphere no longer scatters large amounts of light. As a result, the sky becomes dark. In this darkness, the faint light coming from distant stars finally becomes visible to our eyes. That is why we can see thousands of stars shining across the night sky. Part 5. Can stars be seen during the day? Even though we normally cannot see stars during the day, they are still there. In some special situations, stars can actually be observed during daylight. For example, astronauts in space can see stars even when the sun is shining because space does not have an atmosphere that scatters sunlight. In addition, powerful telescopes can sometimes detect stars during the day. During a solar eclipse, when the moon blocks the sun's bright light, a few stars and planets may also become visible in the daytime sky. Part 6. Why do stars twinkle? You may have noticed that stars often appear to twinkle in the night sky. This happens because the light from stars travels through Earth's atmosphere before reaching our eyes. The atmosphere is constantly moving due to changes in temperature and air currents. As the starlight passes through these moving layers of air, it bends slightly in different directions. This makes the stars appear to flicker or sparkle, creating the beautiful twinkling effect we see at night. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember that stars are always shining, whether it is day or night. We only see them at night because the sun's brightness and the scattered sunlight in our atmosphere make the daytime sky too bright for the faint light of distant stars to be visible. The stars are always there above us, quietly shining across the universe. Thank you for watching Learning Lane. If you enjoyed learning something new today, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learning Lane for more interesting science and learning videos. See you in the next video.